Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to properly use GGives in Shopee. Alright, let's begin. To use GGives, first open your Gcash app. In the app, go to View All Services. In the View All Services section, scroll down and tap on Borrow. Here, you will find options for GLoan, GGives, and GCredit. Select GGives. Once you select GGives, tap on OK to proceed and then tap on the back button to skip the instructions. You can borrow up to 6,000 pesos, payable over 6 to 9 months, with no down payment and an interest rate of 3.99% per month. Tap on Get Started and complete all the details by entering your personal information. Once you have successfully borrowed money through GGives, it will be added to your available balance. Now, go back to the Shopee app. For example, if you want to purchase a product from your shopping cart, tap on the Checkout button at the bottom right. Scroll down to the Payment Options section. Select Payment Center or e-wallet, then choose GCash and tap Confirm. Once done, tap on Place Order and enter your GCash credentials to access your account. You can then use the GGives money from your available balance to purchase the product on Shopee. So that's basically how you can properly use GGives in Shopee. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.